since we last had live. And I know, I'm sorry. May nabasa akong comment kung bakit daw hindi ako nag-live. Ang dami ko daw free time. Tapos, hindi daw ako nag-live. Well, ganito kasi yun. It's been so long, no? Since we had live. Yes, bago ka mag-album launch. Oo nga. Matagal-tagal na din tayo before tayo nag-live. Well, ano kasi yun? I wasn't feeling well during those times. Although I was still working and doing things, pero you know, I wasn't feeling well eh. Inaano ako eh. Tonsillitis ako eh. Pero kinaya ko pa din. And konting tulog lang. Konting tulog, konting pahinga, na okay na din ako. So, bumalik ako. And now that I'm feeling well, feeling better, I'm here. Balew. Parang balew. I feel as if I'm doing this for the first time. I don't know what to do. But yeah, here I am doing a live now. Kasi I feel better. Do you play Grow a Garden? Hindi po. Kasi although I did play Grow Garden. Did I cut my hair? Alam niyo guys, fun fact. I cut my own hair. I cut my own bangs pala. Eto. Someone cut this na. Pero, masyadong mataas na siya nun. Like, it was over here. So, it would frame my face like this. Eh, ayaw ko nun. Tapos gusto ko magka-bangs. Anong tas di pantay? Pantay kaya. Just don't look at that. Ayan oh, pantay kaya. What are you talking about? Ano, di kaya. Oh my gosh, embarrassing. Nasaan yung gunting? Let's cut our hair. Kasi may Oo nga no, di nga pantay. Oo nga. Wait lang ah. I'll get scissors. Ano ba yan ate? Ayun tuloy. Pa, do you have scissors? Borrow.
215 members.
Di pala pantay. Susunod tong bawat saglit. Microbangs mo kay. Nabaliw na kayo. Anong microbangs? Baka layered lang. Baka layered lang? Yeah. Yeah, actually. I think. Oo nga. Oh, I was a cat. Di ba pantay? Ayun tuloy ate. Di pantay pala. Hindi ba pantay? Bawal scissors here. Bawal pala. Bawal yung scissors. Bawal. No, Kai, it's okay. Don't cut it. Okay, don't cut it. Edzy, wag. Wag na lang. Diba? Style yan, Kai. Wag. O, diba? Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. At dahil, you know, you guys justified my cut. Kasi I was like, I think before ASG party, I was like, should I cut my hair? And I was thinking about cutting my hair. So I was like, okay, let's cut our hair. And paano pa ako? Pag gano'n, no? Gano'n, no? Like that. Like a pro. Thank you so much. Init lagi ni. Ay, dili day. No, okay naman eh. Did you see Raincore? Yeah, bro. Oh, naman sa tawa. I saw Raincore. Alam mo, ano pa yung nakita ko? Yung wrestling. Yung wrestling. Bakit nyo kami pinaglalaban sa Bini? Nagre-wrestling ng yung Bini tsaka yung ano. Bakit ganun? Like, bruh. And I can't deny it. It's easier. You are my shooting star. Shot right into. Oh yeah! Guys. Do you hear this? Naririnig nyo ba ang naririnig ko din? Bruh. I recently discovered this artist, OPM artist. Sabi ko, whoa. Sabi ko, because when I heard the songs in her album, I was like, mind blown talaga, bro. I was like, you guys need to listen to it, like Reco. So, I'm gonna Reco it to you. Yung ano niya, yung album niya is called Kaleidoscope. Sabi ko, very interesting album name So, chinek out ko. Tapos sabi ko, Kaleidoscope. There's like 7 songs. Tapos, it's like 7 songs. Pero iba-iba siya ng, iba-iba siya ng language. There's dialect, there's a dialect Bisaya. Kasi pala, Bisaya din pala yung artist, 'di ba? Alam niyo guys, yung tinutukoy ko, 'di ba? Tapos, this one I'm actually listening to it right now. Tapos, hindi lang siya yung nasa sa album. May din, may kakolab din siya. So, ang galing Ang galing din ng album na to kasi hindi lang siya yung kumakanta, may iba ding kumakanta. So I was like, sige nga, i-check out ko nga yung yung album. Tapos when I check it out, I was like, I was so mind blown. I was like, so underrated naman ito, bro. Kasi I found out about this artist kasi I was listening to may artist din akong na-discover recently. Rain ata pangalan. I listened to her Pahuway. So ko, grabe yung Pahuway, bro. I love it. And then, di ba sa under like in Spotify, may artist you might like. And there was Ate Colette. Ay, Colette. Si Colette. So ko, shocks. I'll take a listen din. So, tapos, favorite song ko sa album naman niya is ano yun? Our Love Is Gone. So I was like, shocks. Underrated na itong mga girls na to. So I scrolled down again, and there was like recommended artists. And then may nakita ako, I forgot the name pero it was something like Fiang Smith ata. Fiang Smith. So I was like, meron din palang artista na singer na kumakanta ng mga ibang songs na bagong artist. And yung nagustuhan ko dun sa album niya is yung, what do you call that? Yung Miss You, I think Miss You. Tapos bro, when I was listening to her song, I was like, wait lang. Ang underrated talaga nitong mga girls na to. Bro, you gotta listen to it. So, nag-scroll down na naman ako kasi nagustuhan ko, diba, yung mga kanta. Tapos may nakita ako, parang kay Montanola ata, bro. So, there was this album that she just recently released called Kaleidoscope. Tapos dun ko narinig. And then I heard this. Eto. Eto, bro. Bro. I loved it. When I heard this, nung narinig ko to, sabi ko, save. Ayun tuloy. So, if wala pa kayo nakarinig sa... Sorry, that was so bad. If hindi pa kayo nakarinig... Ha? If di nyo pa narinig yung if di nyo pa narinig yung album, bruh, you must listen to it right now. Diba? Kasi, son, I was listening to it and I loved it. Tapos, Justin Bieber hit me up and he was like, listen to my album, brother. Listen to my albums. I was like, okay, Justin, hold up. Meron pa kasi akong sinustream. I was streaming Rain, Colette, Fiang Smith, Kai Matanola. So I was like, wait lang, Justin Bieber, ah. I'll stream your album later na. After I stream these 4 girls. Later na yan, later. Tapos after I stream na lahat, nag-stream na ako ng Justin Bieber. Eto na yun. Diba? Hold on. Anyway, ang dami kong sinabi, no? Dami kong sinabi. Naisip mo na ba? Way you got me over my head. You know what, guys? We should... It's my favorite song in the movie. Free. You know what? Let's na this. Let's... Where's this from? I don't know eh. Thank you. I miss you guys too. Lip care review. We really need a Cebuana. Yeah. I feel like, kailangan na ng lahat ng tao ng Cebuana. What does it feel? Happy birthday sa lahat ng mga nagba-birthday dyan. Did you guys watch Showtime? Alam nyo guys, ganito kasi yun. You know what? While I was listening to it, yung kantang to, ay hindi. What am I saying? What's your hidden talent? I can sleep anywhere, everywhere, anytime. Sa Showtime, sa mga hindi po watch ng Showtime po, yesterday ata. Yesterday ba yun? Yeah, yesterday. Sa mga hindi po naka-watch, bruh, nag-duet kami, bro, with Sir Ogie Alcacid. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Nag-duet kayo ni Sir... Yes! Yeah, bro. Nag-duet kami ni Sir Ogie. And, akala ko kasi, iba yung tinutukoy niya. Sabi niya kasi, I saw your duet, ah. So good, ganyan. Sabi ko, baka nakita yung duet nung kumanta ako ng Bakit Ngayon Ka Lang. Tapos, he made it clear na yung kung pwede pala. O, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo guys na, diba, I was just kwentuhin about Kaleidoscope. nag-stream din ata si Sir Ogie eh. Kasi ni-mention niya yung kung pwede. So, I was like, oh, thank you so much for, mentioning a song in my album. Like, thank you so much, bro. So, he was like, sample naman dyan. Ang iniisip ko kasi nun, yung bakit ngayon ka lang. So, I was like, okay, you know what? We should have a duet. Pero, kaya nga sabi niya, baka, okay lang naman mag-duet, pero ano ngang kanta? So ko, hala, yung bakit ngayon ka lang kasi yung tinutukoy ko po. So, ayun, nagkanta kami ng bakit ngayon ka lang. And, in the middle of that, I was like, let me breathe. But, yeah, my dad kasi, favorite niya, si Sir Ogie. And, remember, alam niyo ba, nung the last time I went to Showtime, I think the first time I went to Showtime ng solo, inas kasi ako ni Meme Vice kung sino yung favorite OPM artist ko. And then I was like, Miss Regine Velasquez. Kasi, I really love Miss Regine. I used to look up to her a lot. And I said it in front of Sir Ogie. And then, when I went home, after Showtime, sabi ng dad ko, ba't hindi mo sinabi na favorite mo din si Ogie Alcacid? Sabi ko, aba, edi syempre kasi favorite mo yun eh. Favorite kasi ng dad ko, si Ogie Alcacid. So, he was like, you should have told him, favorite ko siya. Sabi ko, ba't ka naman sasabihin yan? Pero sige, I'll tell him in the, tamang panahon. Sa takdang panahon. Sasabihin ko sa kanya, do not worry. Pero favorite talaga ng dad ko, si Sir Ogie Alcacid. Hindi lang sa music, pati na rin sa movies niya. Lagi niyang, winawatch? Pinapanood. Lagi niyang pinapanood si Sir Ogie. So, I was like, wait lang pa. I'll kwento ito soon. Tapos, ayun. Sinabi ko na. Ay, hindi ko pa pala sinabi. Oo nga no, hindi ko pa sinabi. Pero, it's okay. I will get to tell him. Golden? Bakit? Anong nasa golden? Okay, I will play golden. Chill out, y'all. Uli nagsibu. Bruh. Siguro. Paano sumali ng PBB? If there will be like an announcement that they're opening for what? Auditions? Just, go to the locations and audition. May aabangan ba kami sa'yo, Kai? Yeah. Just, follow me. Just follow me on Instagram. Oh my gosh. Ate Kai, sino po crush mo? Huwag ganyan sa mga ano-ano. Parang, lang. Elementary. No? Do you have any pets, Kai? I do. Did you get hair treatments? I did. Ocean Eyes. Alam nyo, matagal na yan nire-request. Yung Ocean Eyes. Ano pa ba dapat kong sabihin? May sasabihin ako nalimutan ko nga sabihin. Yeah. Di ba nakwento ko na sa inyo guys, yung nakwento ko na sa inyo yung bagong yung bagong OPM artist na ano ko, nakita ko. Gonna be gonna. Yes! July dump? Oo nga no. I should have a July dump. Huh? Say hi. Hi. Kyrie Irving? Ano? Ano yan, kuya? Anong Kyrie Irving? Alam niyo guys, before, in my school, sa jersey ko noon, nakalagay, KD Montenola. Is that your natural nose? Of course. It's my natural face. With makeup on. I have makeup on. I have makeup on. But this is my natural nose. Before, sa jersey ko, doon sa school, it's KDM. KD Montenola. Tapos, people would ask me, ano yung KD? And I would say, Kevin Durant. Interesting. Anong multo? Walang multo dito. Because I'm in the second floor. So, it's not too high nor too low to be haunted. How did I cover? Multo na song. Sorry. Sometimes walang laman. Kaya mo mag-Japanese? Ani-chan. Hi. Nani Daski. Ano? Ha? Ang dami yung tanong. Iba-iba yung tanong. Spanish. Hola. Soy Kai. Vámonos. Huwag kayong ganyan, bro. Huwag kayong ganyan. August. What's in August? Huh? Korean? 안녕하세요. kainida. 미안해 하지마. Ano? Haruma 너와 내가 함께 할 수 있다면 Haruma 너와 내가 수초세면 Haruma 너와 Ha? Anong kanta? Hindi yan kanta. Hindi yan kanta. Ano yun? Chinese? 我要吃西瓜香. I believe that means Lauscher. I believe that means teacher, may I go to the restroom? Ni hao ma. Bisaya. Sige, magbisaya ta. Kabaman ko magbisaya. Kabaman ko magbisaya. Kung sa man akong Bisaya. Lausher is teacher. Yeah. Unsa man ako ingnon sa Bisaya? Unsa imong giinom? Akong giinom is not matcha. Akong giinom is Lux Slim. Avocado. Lami ba ya? Ay, tuo ko matcha. Tuo mo lang. Tuo mo lang. Waray, di ako marunong mag-waray, bro. Okay, tuturuan ko kayo mag-Bisaya. But before that, we must play Bisaya. Sorry. Okay. If you see a cute person, tapos you want to parang gusto mo na lapitan yung person kasi cute siya, tapos Bisaya siya, sabihin mo lang, sabihin mo lang sabihin mo lang, ka-cute ni mo, oy. Ka-cute ni mo, oy. Cute ni mo, oy. Repeat after me. Ka-cute ni mo, oy. Can you say it? Ka-cute ni mo, oy. Ka-cute ni mo, oy. Ka. Bago ra nagkita, nagsige, nag-miss you. Ka-cute ni mo, oy. Ka-cute ni mo, oy, in British accent? Ayoko nga. Ka-cute ni mo, oy. Tapos, kapag moingan sila, hala, oy, thank you ganyan mo. They reply. Sabihin mo, nikao na ka? Repeat after me. Nikao na ka? Nikao na ka? Nikao na ka, day? Nikao na ka? Nikao na ka? Meaning, did you eat na? Kumain ka na? Repeat after me. Nikaon ka na? Nikaon na ka? Nikaon na ka? Good job! Give yourself a round of applause. Oh my. Okay. Next. Anong sasabihin kapag hindi mo bet yung tao, pero in Bisaya? Sabihin mo, ay, dili ko ganahan. Ay, dili ko ganahan. Paano nga? Ay, dili ko ganahan. Ay, dili ko ganahan. Ay, dili ko ganahan. Ganon. Correct! Good job! At sa muli, paalam! Taga-asa ko before. Cebu. Kantaha ang atikra. Ano yan, bay? Ah! You know what? Meron akong ituturo sa inyo. If may ano kayo, hindi siya Bisaya. Bisaya siya, pero hindi siya ano, like if you want to call somebody like bro or basta, like tawagan lang. Sabihin mo, sabihin mo, bye. B, B, A, I. B-A-I. Bye. Sabihin, oh, bye. Good job. O, saan mo na? Bye. What's that, bye? Where are you, bye? What do you want to do, bye? Sige, bye. Ay, ang ganda mo, bye. You're so guwapo, bye. Bye, you're so guwapo. Bye, you're crazy. Bye, unsa mo na, bye? You know? Lakauta, bye. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Talks na, bye. For real. Bye na ko diri. Nakay 5 bay. Ana, good job. Nakay 5 bay. Nakay piso dira bay. Palit ko candy bay. Nardira good. Nardira bay. Ato ta eskwelahan bay. Ay ayog tag ato eskwelahan bay. Study ta bay. Study together bay. Ayun, you can use it anytime, anywhere. Kung crush mo, Bisaya, baka plus points ka kapag you call him bye. Especially kapag hindi ka Bisaya. Kasi, you know, you gave effort to, you know, Bisaya ka man, bye. Yeah, bye. I'm Bisaya, bye. Okay ra ka kay? Bakit? Mukha ba akong hindi okay? Mukha na ba akong crazy dito? Wala na nga. Bad na yung prank call. Ayoko na mag-prank call. Mga unta bay, absent o mabay. Ay, ayaw na bay. Ayaw pag absent bay. Dili na okay bay. Gisipon ka kay. Before. Last 2 weeks ago, I don't know. Na may sudan bay. Bagar may kaon bay. Wala may sudan right now bay. Green live wish heart. Ay. Yes, wish bus. I saw it. Balay ni Mayang. Yes. Okay. I'm so sorry. Sometimes I am so embarrassing. Ayaw na ba? Move on na ta ba? I mean, not necessarily. Cute! Shout out, Ate Mau. Minsan lang kita ibigin, minsan lang kita mamahalin. Yes, the soap that I use is this whip soap from Lux. Bro, you use that? Bro, bula kaayo. Like, when you use it, it's so bula. Does that make sense? Yes. Lagtas IT ba? Tara, lagtag IT na. No lagi, no na. No more ng Mga, ano? Yes. Lang kita iibigin. By Arjesta by. Oh my gosh! Did you see it pala? Oh my gosh, you know what? Let's watch it together. Ma. Do you work out by? Ano lang? I know. I will. Don't worry. Reaction video. Ano? Ah? You know what? I already knew he was sick. I already knew he was gonna die at the end of this because he coughed. He started coughing and I thought, why would he just randomly cough? Baka mamamatay siya. Kasi there's no way naman na he cheated on Ate Jazz dito. Ang sad naman nun. So, definitely, mamamatay siya. Kaya siya nag-cough. Kasi if umubo ka, tapos di ka dapat umubo, they would retake the scene. Ayun tuloy, na baka may, baka may tuberculosis siya. Baka, you know, you never know. Sinong Nick? Ano po? Just search Arjaz on YouTube and then you will see this. I actually saw this artist, Zion, in the ball for the first time. And I was like, whoa, he looks a lot like somebody I know. Or you take, no. Kuya Arjaz, coughing. Di ubo na siya. Ang best friend mong duwag. Ngano man na, bay? Ngano man na, Kuya Arjel? Ngano ina man na, bay? Nasad na lang si Ate Jazz. Nasad na lang. Kuya Arjel man good? Di mag-cry, Ate Kai. Dili ta mo hilak ba kay ga-cry na sa Ate Jazz. Hello, flashback. Oh, she's crying. Unsa man na, bay? Unsa man na, Kuya Arjel? You made her cry. Ngano man sad na? Uy, ngano giubo man ka? Ni cry na lang sa Ate Jazz. Why did you ubo? Umubo kasi si Kuya Arjel, kaya umiyak si Ate Jazz. Ayun tuloy. Umiyak siya. Maoy man. Diba? Why did you ubo? Kasi ayun tuloy na. Nag-cry na lang si Ate Jazz. Nag-cry na lang siya. Tas, kasi umubo si, ano, Si Kuya Argel. Natukan si Kuya Argel? Bruh. Ngano natukan man si Kuya Argel? Ni cry si Ate Jess. Dili ba yun na acceptable? Wow. Sino ba naman ako? Gihubak. Diba? Ngano gihubak ba ka Kuya Argel? Nihilak na si Ate Jess. Bakit ganun kasi? Alam mo, you know what? Let's sing. Let's sing. Sige na. Tara, kanta tayo. Sa tuwing kapiling mo, ako'y nalilito. Di naman totoo. Napasakay mo rin lang ba ko? Please don't make me overthink it. Dito na naman. Bruh, wala akong ano eh. Oh yeah, hindi tayo nagkapag-live, no? What did you guys think about it? Which songs do you want to have? Do you want to see na my music video? Golden? Ha? Hindi yun akin, uy. Sabi ko sa ano? Sa album ko. Hindi akin yung golden po. Hindi po ako makakapag ano. Hindi po ako makakapag make music video for golden kasi hindi po yan akin. Overthink. Ang dami. Lahat. Grabe naman sa lahat, bruv. Ha? Lahat na lang? O, sige. Lahatin. Nikao na ka. Opo. Kakakain ko lang. Like, literally an hour ago. This was my favorite song when I was very, very young. Nung bata pa ako. Kasi lagi kong pinapanood yung show na to when I was young. Tapos, ayun, na-learn ko na yung grabe yung YouTube, no? Dapat magbayad na ako ng premium. Di naman, oh my gosh. What am I saying? Di naman ganito karami yung... Am I watching Into the Woods? I am! I'm so excited. Just sing. Aba. That's so rude, ha? You're so rude. Huwag kayong ganyan. Narda, yeah! I used to love watching Darna before. There's a video of me pretending to be Darna. Tila ibon kong lumipad, sumabay sa hangin. Ako'y napatingin sa dalagang nababalo ng hiwaga. Mapapansin kaya sa dami ng iyong ginagawa, kung kaagaw ko ang lahat, may pag-asa bang makilala ka? Awit na nananawagan, pagkasagaling na pagkikinggan, pag-ibig na palaisipan, sa kanta na lang idaraan. Nag-abang sa likod ng mga tala, kahit sulyap lang na ang swerte nga naman hindi na nagkapiling. This is Sky's the Limit 2.0. Mapapansin kaya home version ginagawa kung kaagaw ko ang lahat. May pag-asa bang makilala ka? Awit na nananawagan, magkasagaling na pagkikinggan, pag-ibig na pala isipan, sa ganito na lang idaraan. Nagkabang sa langit, sa mga ulap sumisilip, sa likod ng mga tala, kahit sulyap lang na. Bisaya? I sang na Bisaya song. More OPM songs. Okay. I love OPM. Kung ako na lang sana
Busy day ahead? With Nivea Men Cool Kick, enjoy up to 72-hour protection. Nivea Men
di
is
ka
the
na muling mag-isa. Kung ako na lang sana. Find chart. You know what? I had to like search that up the first time I left the house. Live ni Kai. Hindi po. This is taped. Tas pinay ko lang. Kunin mo na ang lahat sa akin. Ako sa'yo'y... Sino nga ba siya? Ano yun? Hindi ko yun alam. Araw-gabi nasa isip ka. Close to you. Kotang-kota na tayo sa close to you. Bakit ngayon ka lang? Two old friends meet again, wearing all the faces, talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart so long ago. Who were they to know? Someday they meet again and have any more for reminiscing. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She is back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's is the one they had way back when they were too young to know love is real. But somehow some things never change. Even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter. Tagalog. And it feels so right. Maybe this time. You know what? Let's play the piano. Because I learned something bago in the piano. They try. Waiting for this magic moment. Whoa, whoa. I learned something in the piano. Watching from Bilibid? Ano? Kuya, nasan ka? Ba't ka nasa Bilibid? Okay ba yun? Pwede ba yun? May ano ba sa Bilibid? May cellphone ba dun? Pwede pala yun? Oh my gosh. I'm inactive? Hindi kayo. Okay. I can watch Gryffindor Crocs. Yeah. Were you the one who gave that to me? I love it, ah. Wait, what am I doing? What song is this? Ano nga yun? How come my foot is not working? I learned something bago sa keyboard. Pahigi mo broadcast channel ba? Sorry na ba? Sorry na. Sorry, wag. Ba't hindi siya nagpapalong? Ayan. Ano nga to? Let me know if you know this song. Ang makasabi ng kantang to ay makakakuha ng jacket. Hi, can I call you Keja? Sure. Oh my god, I said the wrong lyrics. You can't hear me? Ipwesto yung phone ko sa may ano ko? Paano? Dito? Rinig? Kanta! Come on, y'all. I gotta hear y'all sing. I can't hear ya. You gotta sing, bro. I'm saying sorry for the sake of us. It wasn't my everything to me with nothing, and it's taken me a lot to say. And now that you're gone, my heart is missing something, and it's time to push my pride away. You are my everything. You are my It's just balik-balik. Ayun tuloy, nasintonado tuloy. What other songs do I know? The last time kasi, I did yung Tate McRae. Do Re Mi? Bro, this... Hindi ko alam yung golden sa ano. Sa piano. Wait. Bro, something is wrong with my foot. Hmm? to do it eh. I will learn it muna. Pero meron kasing, I saw a tutorial how to play. No, bro. Wish I could have said goodbye. I would have said what I wanted to. Maybe even cried for you. If I knew it would be the last time, I would have broke my heart in two, trying to save a part of you. Don't wanna feel another touch. Don't wanna start another fire. Don't wanna know another kiss. No other name falling on my lips. Don't wanna give my heart away to another stranger. I'll let another day begin. Even let the sunlight in. No, I'll never love again. I'll never love again. When we first met. Enough na? Enough na tayo dyan? That's all we have for today. That's all we have. Don't worry, guys. The next time you see me, the next time I play it, I'll sing it. I'll sing a different song. I love that song, by the way. I'll Never Love Again. You guys should listen to that. Sus. Anong sus? I'm jealous of the rain that falls beneath the skin,
Ang feeling bata din. Inom na.
closer than my hands have been.
Ready for a getaway? Plan your trip effortlessly with the Trip.com app.
You should watch the movie too.
Hotels.
I
All
did.
in one place.
Kantahan mo kami. Sorry po, sorry po. Sorry, master. Sorry, master. I bow down to master. Naiinip na si master eh. Sorry po, master. Oh. Wish I could have said goodbye. I would have said what I wanted to. Maybe even cried for you. I'm gonna sing Golden, guys. Don't worry. Kakantahin ko din yan. Mas gusto nyo bang kantahin dito sa live o kantahin ko sa sa stage? Don't wanna feel another touch. Diba? Don't wanna start another fire. Dito sa live? Hindi, isa lang. Isa lang. Masyado kayong nasuspoil. Hindi. Hindi, isa lang. Isa lang. You know what? Cebu vlog is so deep in my it's so deep in my camera roll. At dahil hindi ko pa napopost. We'll just watch it live right now. Cebu vlog. Okay lang ba? Ikaw na mag-edit ng Disney vlog. Ay, Disney vlog? Cebu vlog? Bruv. Here, I'll show you. Tignan mo to, bro. Tignan mo to. Ang gulo. This is our first time seeing each other. Well, not the first time, because I saw them kanina doon. Whoa, never seen clips before.
Oh, see it like this.
Are we gonna do that?
Stop. You're the YouTuber golden.
What's that, right?
Why are you so slow?
This is actually sorbetes.
I'm gonna talk like Yana. Oh, you're so slow. You're so slow. Like.
This us getting sorbetes.
Oh, wow, thank you for Mama Sira.
Kai Soto.
My daddy. Scooped it.
Dubai vlog. Wait, I have that. Guess what, guys? I have my camera. Finally. I have my camera. Sa New Star yun. Hindi. Mahiwagang camera. Dami kaya na to. Hindi ko na-post, napanis na lang kasi ang tagal kong nakuha ulit. Pero kanina pa to. I stuck my head out. I stuck my head out. Didn't I? Ang dami nito. Actually, it was so good pag yun. Like, such good photos actually. But I couldn't post it. Kasi panis na. Panis na. Panis na, bruh. Oops. Kay Eric. It's panis na. May na-post na akong ganito eh. Panis na siya eh. Don't worry, I will post. Dump mo na lang kay. Sige. Sige, post ko. Pero it would have been so good for its time eh. You know? Dami nito actually. Dami nito. Sabi ko nga, take a video of me so that I can make an edit. Tas di ko na na-edit kasi wala na eh. Panis na eh. Panis. O sige, kayo na pogi. Basta sakit ang dating. Sakit ang dating. Panis yung mga pogi. Panis yung mga pogi. Oh, here are the pics. Arte Julia. And I. Bruh. Puti naman. Di makita, bruh. Post mo na after 1 year. Sige. 1 year. Kayo nag-request niya na. After 1 year, ah. Oh my gosh, oo nga pala, child number 82, meron pa. Meron pa tayong child number 82, bruv. Stream Kaleidoscope right now. Di na ako makapaghintay na magkita tayo muli. I met a few people doon sa saan kami nag-shoot. Paghawak mo aking kamay, tibok ng puso'y bumibilis, parang lahat ay dumadali sa tuwing nandyan ka. Pero teka, why do I suddenly feel this way? Bakit biglang nagdududa? Sa aking kapiling mo, ako'y nalilito. Di naman totoo, napasakay mo rin lang ba ko? Oh, please don't make me overthink it. Nandito na naman yata ko. Enough na. Enough na tayo. Let's go to pahinga. Magpahinga na tayo. Oh well, I hope you guys enjoyed the live. It's been a long time din since we went live. Tapos, yeah. It's been a long time na nag-live tayo at saka nag-chikahan tayo. At sana maalala nyo na we all have our lives that we must may kanya-kanya tayong buhay na dapat pag-isipan, i-live, yung ganon. Tapos, thank you sa lahat ng suporta. Thank you sa mga taong naniniwala sa akin at nagde-defend sa akin at sa mga nagmamahal sa akin, sa mga supporters ko. Thank you so much. Thank you sa lahat ng pumunta dito sa live right now. Sana wala kayong screen record na nakakahiya. If meron man na screen record kayo na nakakahiya, huwag niyo i-post. Huwag niyo po i-post. Okay? Huwag niyo po i-post. I swear. if may makita ako na nakakahiya, I will iyak. Joke lang. Ayun. Let's live our life. With peace, kindness, and love. Anyway, y'all. Don't overthink it. Hay naku. Kung pwede lang sana, you guys will focus on your self-love era and love everyone. Be kind. You know, we wouldn't have no conversation right now. Kasi alam niyo na eh. Kaya just know that everything is for you. Everything that we're doing is for you. Yun na ba yan? Kaya shoot for the stars. I love shooting stars. Bye-bye, everybody. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good night. Ingat. Ingat lagi. God bless. God bless. God bless. Bye-bye.